Hello friends, today I am going to talk about breakthrough pain. What is this and what is the causes of breakthrough pain and how to manage it. This term breakthrough pain is commonly used in cancer related pain and chronic pain. So what is breakthrough pain? The breakthrough pain is the sudden brief flare of the severe pain in patient break through the patient's regular round the clock medication. The causes of this breakthrough pains are this may be because of the less dose or inadequate dose of the regular medicine. Breakthrough pain occurs despite of taking regular medication. This may be because of triggered by some activity like exercise, some procedure, some coughing, sneezing, or maybe spontaneous. This may last from few minutes to few hours. The breakthrough pain may be very severe, but the character and site of this pain remains same as the regular pain. A breakthrough pain is usually not a symptom of new condition, or it's not indicate that the previous condition is getting worse. It is a normal thing in the chronic pain. How to manage the breakthrough pain? First of all, we ask the patient to maintain diary. So how many medicines he used to take for control the breakthrough pain. Suppose he is taking 2 or 3 times, so we increase the doses of regular medication. And for breakthrough pain, we always give some fast acting and short acting medicines like fentanyl lozenges, nasal spray, short acting or immediate relaxing morphine. And non-medical measures for control the breakthrough pains are some relaxation and positioning exercises which are very helpful. Thank you.